This project took place at a manufacturing facility producing skincare, healthcare, and bath products, where flooring needs to meet strict standards for cleanliness, durability, and chemical resistance. We started by completely removing the existing epoxy system. Proper surface prep is critical, so we mechanically ground the floor to expose clean, solid concrete. This step ensures strong adhesion and long-term performance. We next installed the multi-layer industrial epoxy system. First, a high-penetration primer to bound the concrete. Then, a 100% solids epoxy base coat to create a seamless, chemically resistant surface built for heavy use. All expansion joints were cut and filled with fast-curing polyethera to allow movement while maintaining a clean and uniform look. We finish with a urethane top coat and wear additive for added durability. The result is a seamless, easy-to-clean floor that resists chemicals, supports daily production, and reduces maintenance.